Hey vlog, what's up? Basically, we made our own coffee bean recently. So this is the first time that we're doing anything like this. Come along for the ride as we try to figure out how we're gonna sell these beans.
Is the vlog going right now? These boxes have these bags in them. And by the end of today, these boxes will not have these bags, but these bags will have beans.
We gotta go bag 1,000 bags of beans.
If you look around, like it's like, this is Aaron. Aaron started and owns Coffee Machine Depot. If it weren't for Aaron, we would not have the Rise and Shine that we have.
We rebuild machines. We sell home machines. These are all new. Beautiful linear classic here. Powder coat gray, walnut and brass and gold accent.
You've brought so many fun cars to Rise and Shine. GT3 Touring, Porsche Speedster, all the Ferraris,
Don't forget the AMGs. And look what's coming out here.
Let's go.
1,000 of these.
All right, let's get a little bean update.
Okay, we'll get another. Just getting it done. It's like legal drug dealing.
Good work, dude. All right, who's gonna do the joke? Who spilled the beans?
Ah!
I gave him the assist. All right, well, I guess we're basically done for today. This is the unfolded box, and we got this crazy high price quote from a factory to like print. So I was like, nah, like let's just order generic boxes and then have our homie screen print them. Like you'd screen print a t-shirt, basically. But then like, how epic is that?
Let me help you out here. Don't want to hurt your back. Old Andrew, he ain't 24 no more.
Okay, Dale.
34.
All right, Jacob has really figured out how to gamify silly work.
First try. Challenge is if you can do 3 boxes in 1 minute.
I have my tracksuits on, so
3 is the baseline. If you don't do that, you're no good.
Oh, this is fired up.
1. We're going. Sarah's slowing down to go fast. Diego's trying to speed up to go slow.
Well, I realized that all the ones I did were wrong.
Kinda nervous.
He's mad. You and I, head to head.
I'll fuck it up.
What's happening?
Wow. 4. This whole table was empty before this.
This is what it looks like behind the scenes. What are you here to do?
I'm here to dance.
This is Saturday at Race Service, and we're doing an event with AM Radio. There's supposed to be like 300 people here.
Check it out.
It's popping now.
Yeah, I've been trying to get this crate out of here for about 3 days now.
No, since yesterday. So we did the Porsche pop-up cafe, and we had this really dope commercial Amarzocco PB. I think we just got the exact same machine back. Yeah.
Whoa. Oh.
Yep.
I did not want you to do that. Ready? Our Lamar.
This is Emma. She's gonna do some ASMR. We got some milk. It's 8 a.m. I'm gonna show you guys how to steam some milk. First step, I'm gonna pour this in there. Purge. Put the wand in the cup, have it submerged under the milk, turn it on, bring it up to the top layer so you get that kind of like ripping paper noise, create some bubbles, and you bring it back down. And I'm gonna keep my hand here, and the second it starts feeling like boiling hot, I'm gonna count to myself. 1, 2, stop. Oh, you want it to look like wet paint. Is that looking like wet paint? Oh, that was bad. She said that was like really thick. Oh no. We're gonna try this again. 1, 2. Hit it a few times to get some of those bubbles out. Oh, that's pretty good. Really just gotta figure out what feels right to you. What does it taste like? Good.
So you guys can get this box set now. We're selling it at our monthly Rise and Shine events, or you can stop by our office Monday through Friday from 12 to 5. You get our coffee beans, mug, some stickers, and a Rise and Shine t-shirt. We also filmed this fun commercial that you can check out. Okay, bye vlog.